Hello, hello, hello. Guten Tag and Zdravstvuyte. The doc is in, and it's time for another fun-filled episode of...
Me. What's up, Doc?
Yes, but this time it's not going to be a regular vlog or reading your comments because, well, let's face it, you guys just don't comment on my videos. Why? I want your feedback. I want to make this channel better. But anyway, that's not why I'm doing this vlog right now. I'm doing this vlog because I wanted to do a little experiment that was not so radical as blowing stuff up or setting things on fire, which, don't get me wrong, is fun as hell. Okay? Come on. You can't deny it. And if you watched my last video, I got singed right here. If you can kind of see that, I don't think you can, but my hand right here is completely the hairs are completely singed there. So yeah, good job me. And if you didn't see the video, I'll probably leave a link to that video in the description below. Well, I didn't get burned, I just got a little singed. But anyway, so what did I do? I did a little experiment that involves Nerf guns. So, and yes, I like Nerf guns, okay? I also like Legos, and anyway, so yeah, I like Legos. I might do something with them later. This is a little tower I've been building. We're not talking about him today. Anyway, what we are talking about is the little Nerf gun experiment that we did. Now, as you know, Nerf has come out with a dart called AccuStrike, and I got my hands on one of them from my brothers, who just came back from a Nerf gun fight that they had with a few friends of theirs at like a local gym or something or other. And they were able to get a Nerf AccuStrike dart. So I decided to test it against the regular N-Strike Elite dart with three main guns. Why was I three main guns that I have that are functional? And I may do it with another one because it probably will give more power. So I wanted to see if the AccuStrike made it go faster at all. In order to do so, I set up a little rig that you'll see with an old cabinet door that I have, which is white, and I used a slow motion camera on my iPhone, and then I used that, and then I used my editor to slow it down once more, so when you see the darts going across the little door, and you'll see in a moment, I'll put the video in right here, in just a moment, you see the dart like going by. That is slowed down by 16 times, so we're gonna use a little bit of our noggins, and we're gonna use a little bit of math that we've learned in school, because honestly, I want to put some of this stuff to practice. I mean, yeah, equations and problems are fine, but, I mean, make it relatable. Come on, seriously. Make it relatable. So, this is how I make it relatable for us. I know this isn't an explosion or anything like that, but it's just a nice little fun experiment that you can try at home. And I suggest that you do try things like this. Use your scientific. I don't know what the scientific method is, but I do know what the scientific method is. It's late, it's like 11 o'clock right now. I'm sorry. Why I record videos at such outrageous hours, I don't know, but I do stupid things, so you don't have to. Anyway, what was I saying? So I'll be right back. You watch the video, and then I will do some quick calculations, and then we'll be able to figure out which gun, I fired them from different guns, the darts, which gun gives you the best speed, which dart is faster, and there's no real accuracy test with these. However, I will say the AccuStrike was much more accurate and did not ricochet as much as the regular N-Strike Elite did. So, yeah, so if you... Actually, I don't need to get a model. I have it in the video that I'm about to play for you guys. So I will be right back after doing some quick calculations, and then we will, we'll figure out what we yielded from this experiment. So I will see you in a bit. Test 1, regular ammunition, scene is hot, firing in 3, 2, this is now AccuStrike, firing in 3, 2, 1. Testing in 3, 2, 1. Right now for AccuStrike, firing in 3, 2, 1. First normal, firing in 3, 2, 1. Alright, testing in 3, 2, 1. Test 1, normal dart, firing in 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. So, as we can quite clearly see here, in most cases, the AccuStrike dart was not very fast, or as fast as the regular N-Strike Elite, except for in the case of the Hailfire. Well, the Hailfire probably was the slowest because, unlike the others, if you noticed in the recording, you heard a motor run. The Hailfire works unlike with the rest of these spring action, except for in the case of the crossbolt. It is almost like a crossbow action, but the others are spring fired. So I'm not assuming. I hypothesize that the spring firing system of the Firestrike and the Hammershot allow the AccuStrike, unfortunately, because it's not as aerodynamic, it's flat. It may be more accurate, but it is much slower, which can sometimes affect your shot and how fast it goes can sometimes also affect the amount of, well, I don't want to say damage, but like its speed can affect its precision sometimes. So the AccuStrike is, yes, more accurate. I mean, you couldn't tell from that test because I didn't show you a target system, but I can say that the AccuStrike Dart is much slower than your regular N-Strike Elite, and you're probably better off with an N-Strike Elite or something of that nature, but yeah, So, anyway, this is the dog saying goodbye, auf Wiedersehen, and do svidaniya. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Doc Labs. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.
So long, Screwy. See you in St. Louis.
You're gonna be a part of the channel. The channel.